southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, north central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 3:30 a.m. At 12:05 a.m. Automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall is additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard. Flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar and automated gauges. Urban areas, highways, streets, and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Easton, East Stroudsburg, Washington, Blairstown, Bangor, Penn Argo, Wind Gap, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, and Hope. This includes the following highways. Between mile markers 0 and 8. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 311 and 314. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.